The pyramids of Egypt have long captivated the imagination of historians, archaeologists, and adventurers alike. These monumental structures, built thousands of years ago, continue to reveal secrets about the ancient civilization that constructed them. Recent discoveries have unveiled something even more astonishing: giant underground structures lying beneath these iconic pyramids. These subterranean complexes, hidden for millennia, are shedding new light on the engineering prowess and cultural practices of the ancient Egyptians. This video delves into the latest findings, the technology behind these discoveries, and the mysteries that still linger beneath the sands of Egypt. The pyramids of Egypt, particularly those on the Giza Plateau, are among the most recognizable structures in the world. Built during the Old Kingdom period circa 2686 to 2181 BCE, these pyramids served as tombs for pharaohs, designed to protect their bodies and possessions for the afterlife. The Great Pyramid of Giza, constructed for Pharaoh Khufu, stands as the largest and most famous, originally reaching a height of 146.6 meters, 481 feet. Its construction, involving millions of limestone blocks, remains one of the greatest architectural feats in human history. For centuries, the focus has been on the pyramids themselves, their alignment with the stars, their internal chambers, and the methods used to build them. However, recent attention has shifted to what lies beneath these structures, as new technologies reveal hidden worlds below the surface. The idea of underground structures beneath the pyramids is not entirely new. Ancient texts and local legends have long hinted at hidden chambers and tunnels. However, it wasn't until the advent of modern technology that these claims could be investigated scientifically. One of the most significant discoveries is the Osiris Shaft, located beneath the Giza Plateau near the Pyramid of Khafre. This shaft, first explored in the 1930s and later in the 1990s by Egyptologist Zahi Hawass, descends over 30 meters, 98 feet, underground. It consists of multiple levels, with the deepest chamber containing a stone sarcophagus and evidence of ritualistic use. The shaft's name comes from its association with Osiris, the Egyptian god of the underworld, suggesting that it may have been used for ceremonial purposes rather than as a tomb. The presence of water at the bottom has led some researchers to speculate that it was intended to symbolize the mythical waters of the underworld, further linking it to ancient Egyptian beliefs about the afterlife. Beyond the Osiris Shaft, excavations and surveys have uncovered a network of tunnels and chambers beneath the pyramids. In 2017, the Scan Pyramids project, using non-invasive techniques like muon radiography and thermal imaging, detected a massive void inside the Great Pyramid itself. This void, estimated to be at least 30 meters, 98 feet long, is located above the Grand Gallery and remains unexplored. While not technically underground, this discovery highlights the potential for similar hidden structures below the surface. More recently, ground-penetrating radar, GPR, has revealed anomalies beneath the pyramids, suggesting the presence of large man-made structures. In 2021, a team of researchers from Cairo University announced the discovery of a vast underground complex beneath the Pyramid of Khafre. Preliminary data indicates that this complex may extend far beyond the pyramid's base, possibly connecting to other structures on the Giza Plateau. The discovery of these underground structures would not have been possible without cutting-edge technology. Traditional excavation methods are often too invasive or impractical for such delicate sites, but modern tools have allowed researchers to see beneath the surface without disturbing the ground. GPR uses electromagnetic waves to detect changes in subsurface materials. By sending radar pulses into the ground and measuring the reflected signals, researchers can create detailed images of what lies below. This technology has been instrumental in identifying potential tunnels, chambers, and other anomalies beneath the pyramids. Muon radiography, a technique borrowed from particle physics, has also played a crucial role. Muons are subatomic particles that can penetrate dense materials like stone. By measuring the rate at which muons pass through the pyramid, scientists can detect voids or less dense areas, revealing hidden chambers or structures. Satellite imaging and light detection and ranging, LiDAR, have provided a broader view of the Giza Plateau and surrounding areas. These technologies can detect subtle changes in topography and soil composition, hinting at buried structures. In some cases, they have revealed entire ancient cities and road networks hidden beneath the desert sands. The discovery of giant underground structures has sparked a wave of theories about their purpose and significance. While some of these ideas are grounded in archaeological evidence, others venture into the realm of speculation. Burial chambers or ritual spaces. The most straightforward explanation is that these underground structures served as additional burial chambers or storage for grave goods. However, the lack of human remains in some of these spaces, such as the Osiris shaft, suggests they may have had a different function, perhaps as ritual spaces for the worship of gods like Osiris. A hidden city? Some researchers believe that the underground complexes could be part of a much larger network, possibly even an entire city beneath the Giza Plateau. This idea is supported by ancient texts, such as the writings of the Greek historian Herodotus, who claimed that there were vast underground chambers and waterways beneath the pyramids. While no conclusive evidence has been found to support this theory, the sheer scale of the anomalies detected by GPR suggests that there is more to be uncovered. The precision with which these underground structures were built has led to speculation about the technological capabilities of the ancient Egyptians. Some theorists argue that the construction of such vast, stable underground complexes would have required knowledge of engineering principles far beyond what is typically attributed to the civilization. While claims of lost technologies or extraterrestrial assistance remain unsubstantiated, they highlight the awe-inspiring nature of these discoveries. The exploration of these underground structures is still in its early stages, and many questions remain unanswered. What was the true purpose of these complexes? How extensive are they? And do they connect to other known structures? Are there more chambers waiting to be discovered beneath the other pyramids? Current research efforts are focused on using non-invasive technologies to map the full extent of these underground networks. The Egyptian government, in collaboration with international teams, has launched several initiatives to explore these findings further. One such project, the JADI project, uses robotic explorers to investigate narrow shafts and hidden chambers within the pyramids, potentially leading to new discoveries. As technology continues to advance, it is likely that more secrets will be revealed. Future excavations, guided by data from GPR and muon radiography, may one day allow archaeologists to physically enter these underground structures, providing a first-hand look at what lies beneath the pyramids. The discovery of giant underground structures beneath the pyramids marks a new chapter in our understanding of ancient Egypt. These hidden complexes, brought to light by modern technology, challenge our assumptions about the purpose and scope of the pyramids. Were they merely tombs, or were they part of a larger, more intricate system tied to the Egyptians' beliefs about the afterlife? As researchers continue to probe the depths of the Giza Plateau, one thing is certain: the pyramids still hold many secrets. Each discovery brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of this ancient civilization, reminding us that even the most studied monuments in history can still surprise us.